Hey, welcome back. I'm the Average Cuber, and in this video I'm going to be trying the top 5 world record scrambles to date. Number 1 is from Yusheng, got a 3.47. Feliks Zemdegs at number 2 with a 4.22. Number 3 is Ponce with a 4.24. Number 4 is Nicolás Sánchez, my apologies if I'm saying that incorrectly, at 4.38 seconds. And number 5, Max Park at 4.40 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and skip the scrambles so you don't have to see that, but I will put it on the screen. So here we go. Nice, 32 seconds. Thanks, editor me. All right, that was pretty good. Okay, editor me is being a little judgy. It's fine. All right, not bad. Gotta give myself some positive reinforcement. Thank you. All right, cool. 32 seconds, I'll take that. Thank you, editor me. Alright, and that is the end of the video. If you like this type of video, leave a comment below and like it. And that is all. And as always, like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Thanks.